I like the roosters out here. I like the sounds, nature sound. Of course, that's farming sounds with that rooster singing. But I find that very relaxing. It reminds me of my childhood in Cuba, country of Cuba. I used to love to go to my uncles that live out in the country, and they had a farm way out. And there you could hear the birds and the doves, the wild doves, and the roosters and the chickens. And I used to love to go pick up the eggs from the nest because they used to do that every morning to then make breakfast. I would get away from the city in the summers and go spend a few days out in the country, and I used to love that. And I also used to love that I could go walking out to the river by myself at the age of 8. I'm gonna sit here and drink water. I'm getting a little bit dehydrated. I haven't drank water. I don't drink a lot of water when I'm out here, but sometimes you have to. If you start feeling kind of dizzy or something, then drink water. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. Hopes, folks, if you like this kind of videos and this content, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like. This is what I like. This is what my channel's about. Sharing nature out here, showing the beauty out here, and wherever I go throughout the Southwest.